I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do motion tracking in CapCut PC. So to do that, we're going to take our clip and drag it onto the timeline. Next, we're going to go to text and default text. We're going to drag this on top of the main clip. Then we'll just expand it so it's the full width of the clip. With the text layer selected, we're going to go up here and I'll just change this to say driver 1. And then we'll scroll down to preset style. We'll go with this one because it stands out a little bit more. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it above the driver's head, make it a little bit smaller. That looks good. And so I want this text to follow this motorcycle racer as he goes around the track. So to do that, again, with the text layer selected, we're going to go up to tracking and I'm going to click on motion tracking. Then I'm going to move this box so it's over the driver. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. That looks good. Next, I'm going to click on start. You see tracking is started. Tracking is complete. If I were to go ahead and play this, you can see it's tracking him, but the text is getting large as he gets closer. So if I want the text to stay the same size, which I do, here's how to do that. Again, with the text layer selected, go over to tracking and scale, unselect scale, as well as distance, unselect distance. And now if we were to go ahead and play it, you'll see the text stays the same size for driver 1. So that's how to do motion tracking in CapCut. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.